got the money? Yeah.
Come on here! Principal's office, now!
They're over there, Miss. Right here, right here, right here.
What do you have here?
Bag.
What is this?
They're bags.
Give me that. You have a lot of explaining to do. Let's go.